Yeah.
I can't feel my lips.
Please be quiet. You irritating me.
Girl, eat it.
Be quiet.
I'm Nikki.
And I'm Naya.
And welcome to the Nikki and Naya show. Don't forget to like and share.
And subscribe for daily uploads. Or every other day uploads and premieres. So what we doing?
This hot noodle challenge she wanted to do. Just to see how hot they is.
Yeah.
They don't smell hot. But we're gonna see.
Yeah, we're gonna see. And then the first person who drink water, they lose.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see who gonna eat the whole bowl first of all. With no water. Team Naya, Team Nikki. Ready?
Yep.
Oh, no, I don't like hot stuff. No spicy. These spicy. Oh my god. I think I gave myself too much spice. No. I underestimated these noodles. Oh, I underestimated these. I already want some water, y'all. I already want some water. Oh my god.
Is my
Don't talk to me.
Oh.
Oh, I don't know about eating all of them. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Hell no. Just keep eating them back to back like this. Oh my god.
They good though.
They alright.
Not a little kick though, because I think my nipple's on fire.
But I ain't eating these no more.
Ooh. I'm good though.
I wish I could drink my water.
Because I eat jalapenos, but for some reason,
ooh,
I think I could take jalapenos.
That was not the wrong fight.
Boy, did I could take these noodles.
We gotta eat them all. Oh my god. With no water.
My lips starting to get numb.
You got this. We got this.
Don't touch me.
I'm sorry. Oh my god. Like, who just sitting here just eating these noodles burning to death like this?
Whiz. It's gonna be on fire tomorrow in my butt. Ooh. I already know when it comes up the other end.
Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh my god. Ooh.
They cool.
Oh my god. Girl, bye. Girl, bye. I underestimated these noodles. Oh my god. I said these noodles probably ain't even gonna be hot. Shit.
Look at this. Look at noodles. Look at mine.
Mine's is way more.
Eating.
I am eating.
Bro, I'm about to kick you out the chair. You're not even eating. You ain't eating nothing, not one noodle. You over there playing.
I'm not eating one noodle at a time, shit. This shit hot, putting all that shit in my mouth.
You playing.
I'm trying to break it, but it want to be stayed together. Can we just take a sip?
Go ahead.
So I can lose? Oh my God, this is hot. Yo, this is hot. Oh my God.
Here.
Don't test me.
Here.
Oh, I need some water.
Ain't no money online, ain't nothing. I'm about to drink some water. I can't.
Go ahead. It's gonna be Team Naya because I'm gonna be the one that lasts the longest.
Girl,
with
because
this
you
hot
ain't
day.
eating nothing.
I am eating. What are you talking
Look
about?
at mine.
Okay, ain't nobody that tell you. Ain't nobody tell you to be big mom. I can't talk. Be quiet.
You be quiet.
Shit. This is oh shit. Go ahead and drink your water already.
My tongue, we just no.
Be quiet. No, this is hot. This is really hot.
I can't feel my lips.
Please be quiet. You irritating me.
Girl, eat it.
Be quiet.
I'm done.
You're not done. Oh. Shit. Do whatever you're gonna do. Oh my goodness. What? Oh wait. I know I can't do no chip challenge. I'm dying. I'm straight out dying. Whew. Come on, drink some water, Nikki.
I'm done.
You're not there. It's still noodles in there.
Goodbye.
What do you mean, girl, bye? It's still noodles in there. You take a sip, you lost. You still got noodles. If you go eat the noodles, we gonna drink so I can drink. I will take the loss. I ain't lying, I'm gonna take the loss. Oh.
That shit hot. That shit's terrible. It's good, but
I couldn't eat no more. I couldn't eat no more.
so now my buttocks is gonna be on fire. My mouth, oh excuse me, is on fire.
I know.
But I think the water is probably making it more
I
hot.
know because it's not
My lips are stumped.
it's
numb.
not
My lips.
it's not
My throat is burning.
okay.
My whole mouth, especially the root.
Okay, wait. I don't know who sits here and just be like, let me get these hot ass noodles and just sit here and eat them all. Like your mouth not burning.
All this is hot. This is ridiculous.
Oh my God.
And I eat jalapenos, but them jalapenos be hot too. This shit was terrible.
I would never. I'm not doing no more hot shit. No more hot shit. Oh my God. It's not. It's like it get cool and it come right back. It like you feel the cold and then boom, it's back. Whew.
I'm trying to figure out why the hell she got on the hat. I'm hot. My mouth is hot, but just the hat is. I'm trying to figure it out. I don't know. But
I'm not even about to talk to you.
That's fine. So make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to the channel, share. I'm about to try to find me something to cool my mouth down. I don't drink milk, so I don't know what I'm about to find. Probably about to suck on some ice or something. Just gotta go. So make sure y'all like, thumbs it up,
And
subscribe, share, hit that bell for new notifications. This was the first and the last time we will be doing anything spicy, hot challenge.
Period.
We're not about that life. This ain't us. I'm in my 30s, meaning high blood pressure.
We liable to fall the fuck out.
I just can't do this. This ain't for me. I did it because she wanted to, but
and I didn't know what I was getting myself into.
Oh my goodness.
So it's gonna be a little while after we like get back to normal.
Yeah, especially my buttocks. But yeah, just go ahead and hit that bell so you can.
Can I have some of yours?
No, I need this.
All right, y'all. We'll see y'all on the next video.